Hey there, I'm reviewing the Kroser Hardside Expandable Carry-On Luggage, an excellent travel companion. Its durable build, spinner wheels, and TSA-approved lock make it both secure and easy to maneuver. The 20-inch size is perfect for carry-on requirements, and the expandable feature gives extra packing space when needed. The built-in USB port is incredibly convenient for charging devices on the go, a thoughtful touch for modern travelers. The magenta color adds a stylish flair, making it easy to spot your luggage. Whether for business trips or vacations, this suitcase offers functionality, durability, and a sleek design. Highly recommend it for anyone looking for reliable carry-on luggage.